barley bean and frozen vegetable dinner.
Okay, so what I have here is I have the vegetables that were removed from the broth, and these are celery, carrots, and onions. And also what I have here is the barley stew that I created. Now I'm going to show you how I put together one of my lunches.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio. Directions below. 1. Frozen vegetable package. 2. Bean and barley package. 3. Microwave use defrost setting. 4. Place both packages in a stock pot or saucepan and defrost together. 5. Once mixed together, serve on a plate. Enjoy. Defrost both frozen packages on a stovetop saucepan.
Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to use the vegetables from the broth, which were frozen. As you can tell, this one has got the carrots, it's got the celery, it's got onions. We're going to defrost it in the broth. So what's happening is the broth is slowly defrosting. You can see it's now one big gigantic square, and now it's many different pieces. Some of the celery and the onions are loose in the broth, and we're just going to continue pushing that along until it defrosts itself. So the next step is to put in the IP barley stew into the broth. So it's going to take a few minutes for that to defrost. Once it's warmed up, then we can serve it up. Remember now, you're not cooking this. You are defrosting it and warming it back up again. There's no need to cook everything here. Everything in this pot has already been cooked. Now you don't have to use such a large pot. I did this so that you could see it easier. Just to turn off the heat. So turn off the heat and get yourself some kind of spoon, or in this case, I'm going to use this strange gravy spoon so I can put it in my bowl. And I'm going to use a glass one so I can show you what it looks like. So here it is. I'm pouring it out. And it's quite thick. Big chunky carrots, perfect for me. It's going to have that bean sauce, carrots. You can see the white beans, great northern beans. You can see there's a piece of onion. It's going to be a fine meal. I'm going to pour this out for both of us. Okay, so now you see why I freeze these things. I can make a lunch in like 15 minutes. It's a hearty vegan soup. I hope you enjoyed this video and you come back for more.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.